Hey, so tonight is officially my last night here in the garage that I affectionately named the Ambassador Garage. And since I'm moving out, I figured I'd tell the story of why I decided to call it that. So it was back in 2017 when I was first interested in this space. I ended up working out a deal with my friend Christopher where I got two bays and he had the third bay here, and I was able to work on my cars in these two little bays. And my friend James, he's a master mechanic and a tuner and fabricator, and he said he would help me build a car for Rocky Mountain Race Week. So in 2017, we got to work with an old $600 CRX that I got from my friend Devin, and ripped the motor out and went ahead and did a set of forged rods and pistons and fuel injectors, and then I got a turbo kit and did the usual, replaced some ball joints and CV axles and brakes. And in 2018, we went and took that CRX on Rocky Mountain Race Week. Well, we just so happened to be the first ever race team, James and I, to compete in a Honda. So we decided we were going to call it the Ambassador Garage. And so that's where the name came from. I wanted to be sort of an ambassador. First Honda on race week. I wanted other people to know that, race week is a very inclusive thing. There's people from all walks of life there with one common interest, one common goal, and that goal is to go fast. So we entered 2018 and we had an okay showing. I think I was 10th out of 20 or so in the 14-second index. And I was pretty proud of that. Finished 2018 with like a 14.25 average, something like that. So did okay. And then 2019 entered again, and there was 30 or more cars last year in 2019, and we ended up finishing, 20 out of 30 or something like that. Had a few problems both years. Blew a head gasket. 2018 did a clutch and blew up a transmission, the differential inside the tranny. 2019 blew another head gasket, and we're having heating or cooling issues rather both times. So we got the full experience at Rocky Mountain Race Week. We got to work on our car at the racetrack, replacing parts that normally you need a lift for, and fancy automatic or pneumatic tools. We just struggled through, but anyway, I haven't really done much video stuff, so I figured I'd just do a little walk through the garage now that I got it all cleaned out, all swept out over here. And that's it. So still gonna try to work on cars and stuff. I just don't have a indoor facility right now to work on. So eventually that I'd like to get into another spot where I can work on my cars inside. And for now, this is the end. So see you later, Ambassador Garage, and look for me in the future. Hopefully have another crack at this race week, maybe next year, and see if I can run in a faster index, or I don't know, see what happens. So anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll put this on YouTube, so give me a like, subscribe. That's what they always say, but that's about it. I'll catch y'all later.